Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up contacts to Google Drive on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to back up contacts to Google Drive ensures that your contact information is safe, accessible, and synchronized across all your devices, providing convenience, security, and peace of mind. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, enter the Contact app. Okay, so here click the three lines. After that, tap on Manage Contact option. Well, and then you can click Export Contact menu. So you have to select Internal Storage and click Export. Okay, so on to the next step, you can go to the Google Drive app on your device. And here, press New to start backup your contacts. And then click Upload option, then select this file. Okay, so now you can wait until process is complete. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to back up contact to Google Drive on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.